My wonderful people, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did not do mistake by calling Nigeria a zoological republic. My people, things are happening in this country. Do you know that end bad government protest, there is so many children is still in the hands of police, and today they brought them to court. One of the minor among the children fall. Maybe those children, they know they feed them well. So, tell me the future of your own children in Nigeria today. If these children is going to go underground this kind of humiliation, they are not up to 18 years. They see a protest and they feel like their mama no get anything to give them to eat, and these children come outside to protest. So the question is, what is the offense of these children? This is the question. They come outside, they tag them a terrorist. And now let me tell you the latest development that is happening now. They say that they are going to pay 10 million naira for their bail. Things are happening. Why some of the lawmakers that are committing things, atrocities in that chamber, are paying 5,000 for their bail, but the children who are hungry come outside to exercise their fundamental right are castrated, and they are going to pay 10 million naira. You tell me that this country is not zoological republic? Things are happening. Let me bring the video up where they are trying to revive one of them. Then before we come back and continue. Stay.
Let me go and take the This guy is taking to the clinic. They came to the The prosecutor should do their business. How can you arrange children? What's house? Sorry.
You serve Nigeria, your country. This is what you get in return. So my people, more of this will happen. I said it last time that a lot of this is going to be happening in Nigeria. You people, this is joke. Let's jump into Anambra State and go see what they happen for inside that place. So they say that all the whole people where they go, they open people shop. They carry their goods. My people, they say that the hand don't meet them for this last one. I'm going to play the video for you to watch before we come back and continue. We'll get a lot of story we will want to talk today.
Shop energy. This is the three of them. Had the mother 6. I was 6 seconds. Kedafaguma. Kedafage. I age the go married from mother. So, this one make it all over Anambra State. Una bago shop on them mother well. Anambra State in. Okay. So, Kedo Nkuneje, Manoka, Manenu Manabaga, and maybe those of the chiche, Manogidi, Mana Ebendioso, Uneja Suli. Onyo Suneje. If I was Suneje, Kedun go Sunueje. Just lifted. Kedon you take the connection. Metonyon Koaka. If I or go with the connection. No Kuso Quick. Or go with the connection Haji Bioli. And K energy. Cake is you here. Kuso Quick. Can I bend the words and I'm going okay. Kemuta Habubia. Can you go up that day? Egonica Hanya. I am 40,000. Okay. I pray that when I'm a shop now, bamboo, why need to name me? Okay. This is not going with the connection. Huh? Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm not going to make a force. No, sir. Be a welcome Onye beke o. Ihe a na-ajụ gị make force.
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
Akwere sure you na-ekwu.
Yes, sir.
Nwoke m, gịnị ka ị na-arụ? Gịnị ka gụwa na-arụ? Ka ọ dị olu unu na-ezu? Okay. Kedu onye olu connection nke na-eji unu je?
Ifeanyi.
Akwere dị sure?
Yes, sir.
Ifeanyi. Akwere dị sure na gị nya connection nke unu je?
Yes, sir.
Kedu ebe nje dị oli?
Junction,
Junction Ifterun. Unu je dị oli. Na nke onye? Kedu ewete the connection? Kedu ewete the connection? Ego ne ka enye gị?
40,000.
Dada a na-ezuru osi kedu ihe ibu?
Ebu m pọmpụ m ji arụ ọrụ.
Okay. Biko nọ anyị na-ayọ ụmụ Anambra na-ayọ ndị Igbo na oke na ọrụ ndị special squad na Anambra steeti na Dunukọfịa na Njikọ Ọka na Anịọcha all over Oyi Idemmili na anyị eme keshọn na anyị na-enwudo ụmụazị ndị na-eji akpaka shọpụ ndị mmadụ na-ebukọsị ngwa ahịa na anyị ewepụtaga ya na mmiri saa ya na mmiri ọfụma ka anyị fokọs n'ime ndị na-eji akpaka shọpụ ndị mmadụ na-ele ndị mmadụ uses some people na-azụ anyị wee ga-ebite ebite ka ha ji azụ anyị some people wee ga-anata ndị lapụ some people wee ga-ebite from bank some people wee ga-ele some property wee tinye na business ụmụazị apụ ebukọrọ ya je na-elefusi ya ego na kisiri ile generator ahụ that big generator. Okay so biko nu anyị na-ayọ unu na-asị na oke na ọrụ ndị special squad wụ imeke sure na anyị find out ebe niile a na-ezochi kpaka shop malụ ndị mere ihe ọsọkwa ya ruo 2 months ọsọ ya ruo 3 months we must get them. Akwado eziokwu.
My wonderful people, things are happening as we said. If you know say it be one of those people wey say Ali Igbo no go good and they are putting your hand in things that is not good, remove your hand now. If not, hand go meet you. We go bring you come outside here, come tell the world what you they do to your own society. I beg more that they share the video and drop your own opinion as well. Okay, my people, let us jump into Biafra land. They say that the Biafra armies don't capture some of Fulani cows and buy them along the line because they no one leave their land. Let us show you the video. May you watch before we come back and proceed.
They go. Then pause this thing. See it. Now we not be them. See it. All these Fulani Heřdsmán, where they disturb our land. You see, I've already got this one down. Where the other one? You get another one. See this one here? Them plenty? Yeah. Not all of them. We go video now. Maybe they go. Now we, they'll be done. I say they no go come out for our land. They go come out, sure. They go come out. Okay, give me my wife.
My people, when I don't see them, they say that they as it be like this now, those cows now don't become suya. My people, let us bring you this video of Peter Obi giving the Nigeria police hope once again that the things is going to better and you must make them coming 2027.
Mothers are in hospital without knowing how to pay their bill. That's what concerns us. Not this and not bringing you people out from your office to come where there's party. No, there's a better thing because you're doing a great work for the country. It shouldn't be. We will take it up. That's why I came out today. So I thank you people. And I will also, you are the member. Are you? I'll see you. So please, sorry, I'm sure we'll make sure that we don't bring you out of this thing. We want to bring you out in something that is better, where we are talking about your welfare, the future of your children, the future of everybody, I always tell people it is important where we build schools, where your children, my children are in the same school. My mother's driver and me, the children of my mother's driver and me went to the same school. They were actually bright. And that's what we want to do. We want a better Nigeria, where people will be happy to live and live their life, especially the poor. Feel their children can become anything.
My wonderful people, you don't read though, and I don't see them. They say one of a Biafran child or Igbo boy. They say the boy don't go pick a new aeroplane. No. As soon as they see for that picture, and I see that thing where he hold for there, he said that I haven't seen this kind of airplane before. My brother, if you know what you hold for hand, I beg, no first and for that, no. As it be like this now, may you give me your location so that man know whether me and you live close. May they find my way out of that environment, because when that thing go do boom, everywhere go catch you. My people, I beg, in the ask this question, what you want use this thing do? Making use making knock and fall down. I beg may you reply, you may not be like say live near you. You don't read for this last one. I beg may they share the video so that other people go get the information and know what thing they happen. But one thing you have to carry for mind be say Nigeria has no mekwatarism. You see this country, you cannot be mekwatarism. Anything where you like may you do, you cannot do it right, because the people mindset are very different from what you are seeing as a country. Now that is the truth, but they know they like truth for the country. Now be the worst part of it. May they call for the round table, may everybody decide in faith for where one day. Nah, they no want, because Tinubu and family are busy now making money, they sweet them. But see that money, I'm seeing where on the vomit them, they run. They run like things will happen for some Africa countries recently. I'm seeing that coming, and it will happen very, very soon. As I look at him, is very close. My people, wanna share the video and make sure someone drop on our own opinion for inside comment section as you don't read for this last one.